Hello, mathematicians. Mrs. Doran and Ava are here with you, and we're going to start by getting our mouths and minds and fingers warmed up. Let's see if we could go ahead and start by counting to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Good job. Oh, wait, what? Okay. All right. Ava wants us to start counting, but she said that was too easy. So let's start counting with another number. So I want you to think, we're going to start counting with 33. So think about 33 and think about what comes after 33. Have you got it? All right, here we go. So we're going to go 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay, how'd you do? Woo. Wait, Eva. Oh, boys and girls, she has her marker. So that means she wants us to do some work with our whiteboard. So grab your whiteboard really quick. And we're going to work with shapes because remember we were doing some shapes last week and maybe we can draw some shapes, Ava. Okay, so make sure everyone has their whiteboard and their marker ready. And let's start with this one, Ava. See if you can draw this one. I would like to see if people can draw a circle. Do your best with the circle, okay? Ava's going to do her best too. Draw your circle, and as soon as you're done, hold it up so that we can all see a circle. Okay, hold it up, boys and girls. Can you hold up your circles too? Oh, look at Ava. Yeah, they did good, didn't they? Very nice. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and we're going to erase that circle. I got to grab my eraser here too, Ava. And let's draw another shape. This time, we just did a circle, but can we do an oval? An oval's kind of like a circle, but it's a little bit different. See if you can draw an oval. Okay, you ready? Here you go, Ava. All right, everyone's drawing their oval and show it as soon as you got it. Okay, can you guys show it? Oh, look at Ava. They're starting, or some people already done. Look at that. Oval, and it doesn't matter. Some people did their ovals like this, and some people did them like this. They're all different, aren't they? Great job. Let's do one more. Let's see if our friends can draw a rectangle. Ava, can you draw a rectangle too? Okay, she's getting started. See if you can draw a rectangle, boys and girls. And as soon as you're done with your rectangle, show it to us on your whiteboard, okay? All right, let's see it. There it is, Ava. Look at them. They're pretty good, aren't they? You guys did really good on those shapes last week. All right, go ahead and erase. And speaking of shapes, you know, Ava and I were playing with some shapes a little bit earlier, and I wanted to show you some of them that we were working on. So are you ready, Ava? Let's go ahead. Oh, make sure you put the cap on your marker. Let's go ahead and go in and see if we can see some shapes. So let's share a screen. All right, so I've got some shapes here. Okay, so Ava, what shapes do you see? Triangle, you're right. Those are all triangles. So let's look at the next one. Well, what shapes, Ava? There's still triangles, aren't they? And they're still orange, but something looks different about them. There's something different. Do you know what it is, Ava? Boys and girls, do you know what it is? Oh, Ava's saying that they're different sizes now. So they are the same shape. They're all triangles. They're all orange, but look, we have a little one and a big one and kind of a medium-sized one. Those are called attributes. Attributes is how we can describe something. So the way they're the same is with their color and their shape, but they're different because of their size. All right, let's look at some more shapes. Let's see if we can find one. What do you think? All the same shapes, Ava, and all the same sizes. Wait, what's the different attribute this time? Do you know? Oh, boys and girls, Ava's saying the different attribute is color. Is that what you noticed too? Yeah, so they're the same size, they're the same shape, but We've got an orange, a blue, and a red. You're right. And oh, I noticed right away that these all have the same color, don't they? They're all green and they're all the same size, but wait a minute. They're all different shapes, aren't they, Ava? We've got a triangle, a square, and a circle. So boys and girls, I'm wondering if you can help Ava and I, because we're going to look at attributes and how things are the same and how they're different. And we're going to go fishing. I know some of my friends have been going on an aquarium field trip lately and learning all about fish. And I'm looking at these fish and I need your help, boys and girls. But for this, I want you to grab your marker and I want to know how many big fish do you see? So count the big fish and show me with your board or your fingers. I guess you could show me with your fingers too. How many do you see? All right, Ava's showing me 2 also. We've got this big fish and this big fish. So there's 2 big fish. Let's go fishing again. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, all right, I'm looking at these fish. All right, boys and girls, I'm wondering how many fish have stripes? So count the fish that just have the stripes. The stripes that go straight up and down. There's a couple, they might be a little bit curvy, but how many fish do you see with stripes? Okay, Ava wants me to hold up fingers because she doesn't have them. Did you guys get 3? There are 3 fish with stripes. Look, here's 1, 2, and 3. Let's go fishing again. I love fish. Let's go check it out. Oh, looks a little different now, doesn't it? I'm wondering how many blue fish there are. Let's see. Let's count the blue fish. And as soon as you guys can find them all, go ahead and show me with your fingers. They're fast, Ava. What can I say? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a lot of friends with 4 fingers up. You're right, boys and girls, you have found attributes about fish. We can find out how fish are alike and how they're different. And it's just fun to notice these different things. And I was playing with shapes too, and I had all these shapes, and oh my goodness, they were a mess. I kind of dumped them out. We were playing with them earlier. And I'm noticing there's different colors, there's different shapes, there's different sizes. So Ava and I, we went ahead and we sorted them. And we're wondering if you can find out how we sorted them. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to sort them and then we're going to pause the video and I want you to tell me how we sorted them. And then I'll do it a couple times and we'll see how it goes. Okay, are you ready for the first one? Okay, so here I go. I'm going to sort them. First thing. Okay, they're all sorted. So take a good look at them. All right. And we're going to pause the video. And I'm going to call on someone. I'm probably going to have to pull some sticks because there's too many people who know this. And then we'll just do a thumbs up. All right. Okay. So pause the video. All right. So now I want to know how many people agree that these shapes were sorted by color. So thumbs up if you agree that they were sorted by color. You are correct. Give yourselves a pat on the back, a hug, and a high five. All right, let's do it again. Let's do another one, okay? Ready to see the shapes sorted? I sorted them differently this time. Okay, look carefully. I put some over here and I put some over here. How did I sort them this time? So look at this. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so we'll pause it. All right, so how many people agree that this was sorted by size? Good job. You're right. These are big shapes over here, and I've got some smaller shapes over here, don't I? All right. I did one more sort. Let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, here it is. So look carefully. And when you think you know how I sorted them, we will ask. I'm already seeing some hands up, which is awesome. All right, so we're going to pause this video and we'll hear from somebody. All right, so how many people think that, yes, these shapes were sorted by their shape? Yeah, thumbs up. I agree too. You've got all the circles over here, all the triangles over here, all the squares over here. So boys and girls, you are absolutely right. You can sort things by different attributes. And today we have a paper that we're going to be looking at that's called What's My Rule? And I'm going to give you a rule and we're going to see if we can sort these out and we're going to have a little fun. So boys and girls, stay tuned and great start on the lesson.